Ako naman yung feelings ko for tonight and I-express ko na yan.
Apo.
My feelings. Kasi, to all my co-teachers and to all the officers and members of Batch 77. At this point in time, I am extremely happy, to see you, to be with you after 35 long years. So thank you very much, Batch 77. Nagyayinin ka na akong invitation, sabi na. Nang dadalang Derry Kaye, Talisay, and
Regina.
O yan, hindi namin. As I get, nalalawang kayo, as I get that your invitation, it says, appreciation dinner for our beloved teachers. Beloved teachers. I was touched very much. Yeah? The beloved teachers, very much. You know, I breathe a prayer of thanks to the Lord because after long years, our work, our toil, our sacrifices were appreciated and recognized by this special Batch 77. That is a gesture of gratefulness. And remember, gratitude is a very important virtue. If I may say a message to you now, it's just very simple. Sabi natin, message here. Very simple message for you. It's live a prayerful life. Live a life of prayer. Prayer for our trials. Prayers for our problems. Prayers for our suffering. And also prayers for our success. And just remember and do not forget that what we are today, we owe it all to the Lord. Whenever possible, advise ko you find a time, every day find a time, whisper a big thank you to the Lord. As I will be saying this very moment, I will whisper, I will have a prayer of thank you. Thank you, Lord, for this occasion. Thank you, Lord, for giving this opportunity to the class, to the Batch 77, to show their thoughtfulness and gratitude to us, their teachers, their old teachers. Yang kumatawag old, then young teachers. Kasi yan yung pamilapon. Attendant.
First time.
Lord, bless them. Let us remember, we owe everything to the Lord, and let us be thankful to the blessings and graces we are receiving from His bounty. And so, Lord, bless them. Thank you very much, Lord. And also to this Batch 77. Thank you very much. God bless you. And Mama Mary loves you. Thank you.